Weichert Realtors Southern Coast Video Training Resource. Weichert Works, How to Create Property Flyers. So let's start with opening up your browser and going to Weichert Works. Right there, put in your login credentials and click Secure Sign In. So you're going to land on this start page. I want you to go from the start over here to Marketplace. Click on that. And from here, scroll down to Flyers. Now you can see this has got a lot of resources for you. Ad marketing, badges if you want a new badge, brochures that you can order, new business cards, closing gifts, door hangers, flyers, and gift boxes. So explore this later on. If you do decide that you want to do some printing, as you can see right here, you have a promo code that you can use to get 10% off your first order. But let's go ahead and click on Flyers. Now, this has got a library of about 18. So you need to scroll through and pick one you like. For this example, I'm just going to choose Modern Marvel two-sided flyer. And from here, it's going to give you the details. So this is a preview, shows you what it looks like. And on the right side, you've got a quick product detail. So it's 2 pages. It's designed to be on an 8.5 by 11 flyer. When you order it, it is available for standard next day. Here's your options. Today, we're going to go over downloading print-ready files for free. Of course, you can do professional printing as well. But this is what we're going to do. So once you decide, you click Create and Customize. And now it is loading up the template. So before I go any further, we're going to make a flyer for an open house. So you're going to need property photos. I'd recommend getting them and putting them on your desktop. And you're going to need some information about that property, which you will utilize the MLS, probably the public remarks. So if you have a property already that you listed, this is easy. You'll just use that, obviously. If you don't have a listing yet, we do have the open house availability sheet. You will go through that, select the home that you would like to host, contact that agent, set up the time, the date, and then from there, just go ahead and ask them, is it okay that I make some property flyers, which I'm sure they'll say yes, and can I use the photos on the MLS? So ask for the permission. I'm sure they'll tell you yes, and then from there you can go in and start this process. So when you get your photos, by the way, I would recommend you ensure you get landscape photos. Stay away from the portrait ones because they look better. This is designed for landscape. Okay? So to add a photo, we're going to click Change Photo. Now it doesn't have any here to select from, so we're going to click Upload a photo. Now, uploading a licensed photo. So make sure that all photos being uploaded are properly licensed. What they're saying is, if a photo is copyright protected, you have to have permission to use that photo, which is why you're going to ask permission to use the photos from the MLS from the Weichert agent that okayed you hosting that open house. So you'll click Agree. From here, select Files from your computer. Click on that. Go to your photo. Click Open. It's going to do a quick little upload bar here. Go away and then finish processing that upload here. So there it is. You can do this multiple times right now. If you've got 4 or 5, and I'd recommend 5 photos to get off of the MLS before you pick your flyer that you want. That way you can do it. But for this purpose, I'm only using 1, and this is the photo I want. So I'm going to click Use This Photo. And it's going to automatically position it and crop it for me. See? So it looks really good. In the settings, you've already done all of this, so you see it populates your photo, your name, and all your information there. And as you can see, I'm hovering over this stuff. It turns blue. This is stuff you can edit. So this is an open house. Let's click on Modern Marvel and let's make it say open house. Update. And this is pretend, so I'm going to change the price just so you can see it. So let's just make up this price. There we go. Update. And you see as the fonts are, it'll keep the style that is already in place there. So it's going to look really good. Now this is giving you some more info, so let's just call this Heavenly Haven at 123 Happy Street. And I'm going to get rid of the square footage there. Click update, and there you go. Now, in this section here, you could put the subdivision as well. I'm going to put Sunday from 3 to 6 p.m. Update. We're almost done. Now we're going to put in some information about this property. So let's click on this. And this is where I'll put the public remarks, which I've already actually copied and pasted what I like. Let me scroll down here. It's probably not going to be enough room for all of this. I'm going to show you what happens if you put too much information in these boxes. Click update. It is going to indicate it. See the red? It's too much. So we'll click on it. We'll go back in here and we will update it to where it'll fit, which I'm just going to remove that line there. And click update. And now it's going to fit. It's no longer red. Let's click on Weichert Works, Southern Coast, North Myrtle Beach. Let's see if we can put this stuff closer together. See if it'll fit better. There we go. Obviously this fits there, so don't worry about that, okay? So we've created our flyer on the first page, and that's all I'm going to do today, but I'm going to show you how you would get to the second page if you wanted to do more. Right over here on pages, you see this little arrow, you click on that, it'll pop out the second page, you click on there, and then you can update that one, okay? For now, this is all set and done, and I'm finished with this, so I can click next. It's going to ask you to save it and name it. So we're going to make this the Modern Marvel 2 sided flyer test. Save. So for whatever reason, if you need to go back, you can. If you're going to do this again next week, you can go back in there. You can just edit the dates and it'll be perfectly fine. But here it's going to give you some options now. Now you can decide, I can pay money, get this printed on some really good parchment, or I can download this product, and that's what I said we're going to do today. So we're going to use the free version of this. Let's click on download this product. Now it's giving us a couple more options. JPEG image or PDF. I'm going to recommend you click JPEG, because JPEG will allow you to share it on social media. Social media does not like PDF files. It's going to print out the same at home and in the office printers. So go ahead and just click on that. And now it's telling you from here, giving you a little example. So all you have to do from here is click on that little thumbnail of the image. It'll pop it open big. And as the instructions say, click on the image to download it. So I'll click on the image one more time. And I have downloaded the image. So now I have that digital format. I can put it on my social media, let all my friends know, put it in some groups in Facebook, make a post for Craigslist and throw it in there, print some more out in black and white or in color, and hand them out during my 5-10-5 while I'm conducting that open house. Okay? So that's going to wrap up how to create flyers on Weichert Works. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.